Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it's about lifting and how to remove fine lines and wrinkles around your eye area and from your forehead. Now, I'll tell you about cupping. I'll tell you in short what cupping is. Cupping is an age-old method used during an ancient era to lift the face naturally, to plump your lips, to remove the wrinkles from your foreheads, from your eye area, and to plump your face naturally without buying any electrical gadgets or any expensive tools. So, cupping comes like this. This is the bigger cup and this is the smaller cups. And cupping, I'll tell you that it helps in the production of collagen in the skin, and it also helps in promoting the blood flow all over your face. Now these are the silicone cups. Bigger cups is used for your cheek area and smaller ones are used for your eye area and to plump your lips naturally. So these are the silicone cups and they can be washed normally and you can reuse it. Now before starting the cupping, I'll tell you what steps you have to follow. I'll do it practically in front of you, and keep watching my video till end to know the trick what I am doing to remove the wrinkles from my eye area. So now what first step that you have to keep in mind is always start the cupping on your clean face. Rinse your face and cleanse it properly. Now the next step is put any oil of your choice. Now I am putting an avocado oil. You have to put a good amount of oil on your face so that the cups glide easily all over your face. So now I am rubbing it in my palms to activate the oil. You have to put a very thick layer of oil so that the cups glide easily. Don't use any dry oil which gets absorbed into your skin, because it will create a pressure to glide the cups easily on your face. So use any thick oil which helps the cup to glide easily on your face. Now we'll start with the bigger cups. These are the bigger cups, and since this is a silicone cups, you can, when you press these silicone cups, it creates a suction. So now what you have to do, you have to press the silicone cups to the lower part of your cheek, that is starting from the jaw area, and then you have to place it on your skin, and then you have to take it towards the upper part of your chin. Now don't pull it. Remember, don't pull it to disconnect the cups. Instead, pull it towards the upper part of your cheek, then take it towards your hairline so that it will automatically disconnect. See, I'm pressing it and then placing it on my skin, and it will create a suction, and then I glide it easily towards the upper part of my cheek, then taking it towards my hairline, and then it automatically disconnects. And when it disconnects, it will make a plucking sound. That means you are doing it in a correct way. Now make sure, one important thing I would like to share with you is that make sure that you don't create a harder suction, because when you create a harder suction, what will happen at the end, you will have a mark and bruises on your skin, which nobody likes to have. So always be gentle with your cups and create a softer suction. So do this 3 to 4 times at a time, then move to your upper cheeks. Here also do it 3 to 4 times, take towards your hairline, and then it get automatically disconnects. So this bigger cups helps to lift your face naturally with the help of cupping. So now come to the smaller cups. So I'll show you the trick. This is the smaller cups, how to remove the fine lines and wrinkles around your eye area. So what you have to do, you have to press the silicone cup and press it on your eye area, then glide the cups and take it towards the upper part of your eye area. Now make a small circular motion and then pull it towards your hairline and disconnects. Now, when you take it to the upper part of your eye area, don't take it now towards the hairline directly. What you have to do, you have to make a small circular motion. But if you don't make the small circular motion, you won't get rid of fine lines and wrinkles around your eye area. So this is the trick. Many people don't know how to do the cupping for your eye area. So it's very important, when you glide the cup from your eye area to the upper part of your eye, you have to make a small circular motion, then pull it towards your hairline and then disconnects. This is the proper method to do the eye cupping. If you are doing it in a right way, you will get the results, but if you do it in a wrong way, it may happen that you won't get the results. You keep doing it for a long time, but wrinkles don't disappear. So do it in a right way. Now, big cups are also helpful to get rid of the fine lines from your forehead. I'll show you how. So, I'm pressing it on my upper hair. See, it will create a suction. Is it funny? And I'll take it towards the hairline. See. So, this is the method to remove the fine lines from your forehead. And isn't it funny? Yeah. Now, how to plump your lips naturally. So, this is the method with which you can plump your lips naturally. I do it every morning, 5 minutes. So, this is my secret behind the plumper lips. Now, you can also take a small cups, press it and pluck it, press it and pluck it, press it and pluck it, press it and pluck it. Now, this cups also helps, it acts like an eraser for your fine lines. See, many people are having the fine lines. I also have some fine lines. I'm trying to get rid of it. I'm also not a pro in doing face cupping. I'm doing it since 1.5 years, so I thought to make a video of it and share with you how it helps me to lift my face. I still didn't got the desired results. I am working on it and hoping to get the desired result. This is my way of doing cupping. I hope you like it. So enjoy doing cupping, and definitely you will get the results after few weeks.